These GE 14-inch nippers I use as a professional hoof trimmer. This is the pair I've had for about 2.5 years, and I will keep using it through the end of winter. This is a new pair that I bought in anticipation for summer when those hooves get super rock hard. But these have lasted a really long time, and what's really great about them is that the handle is 14 inches, so you have that extra leverage. Those extra 2 inches really makes a huge difference when you're trimming horse hooves, and they're really hard, rock hard in the middle of the summer. Well, they feel rock hard at least. And then the blade is also very sharp, very high quality. I've used these for 2.5 years, and being a professional, it's not worth it to use tools once they start to get dull, because I trim so many horses in a day, and the duller the tool, the harder it is on my body. So I wouldn't have used these for this long if they hadn't stayed sharp. One tip I will give to keep them sharp is when you are going to use the nipper on the hoof wall, make sure there are no big rocks, but also little tiny pieces of gravel or fragments of rocks in the hoof wall, because you will hear it. I've done it, because sometimes you just don't see them. They're buried in there, and you go to use the nipper and you hear that rock crunch on the nipper, and that's going to dull the nippers way faster than any hoof will. So to make these last as long as possible, just really make sure to get every little piece of rock and gravel out of that hoof wall.